Okay, children, very good morning. In the last class, I gave the introduction of the cylinder. So let us recall once again the formula which involved in the cylinder. The lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r, and volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Now let us do the problems related to the cylinder, that is exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. Here, a closed cylindrical tank of height 1.4 meters. The height of the cylindrical tank is 1.4 meters, and radius of the base is 56 centimeters. Is made up of a thick metal sheet. How much metal sheet is required? To make the cylinder? So thick metal sheet is there. So to make the cylinder, we use the total sheet. Total means you have to find out the total surface area. You will get the doubt what should be determined here, LSA or TSA or volume. So generally you will get the confusion. To avoid that, here how much metal sheet is required? The metal sheet given. Using that metal sheet, we have to prepare the cylindrical tank. So all metal sheet we use, total metal sheet we use. That is why we have to find out the TSA of the cylinder here. So what are the dimensions given? You express in square meters. Express in square meters means every dimension should be given in the meters. So if it is not given in the meters, you need to change them into meters. Okay. The height of the cylindrical tank. Height. Dimensions of cylindrical tank. Dimensions of cylindrical tank. That is radius r is equal to, h is equal to given first, h is equal to 1.4 meters, and base radius r is equal to 56 centimeters. He asked to express in square meters. Square meters means every measurement should be in the meters. It is in the meters. Okay. Now radius is given in the centimeters. You need to change into meters. So we know that 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. 56 centimeters equal to how much? 56 by 100. 56 by 100 meters. That is 0.56 meters. This is. Now TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into pi 22 by 7. The base radius r is how much? 0.56 meters. 0.56 meters into h plus r. H is 1.4 plus 0.56. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.56 into 1.4 plus 0.56, like this, adding 1.96. So you multiply, you get the answer. It goes 7. How many times does that? 56? 8 times. 0.8, 7, 8. Now multiply all these. 2 to the 44, 44 8 jam, 44 8 jam, 44 8 jam, 352, 222 the 44, 44 8 jam, 352 into 196. Forget about, sometimes you forget about the decimal. Here decimal is after 2 places, here decimal is after two places. You forget about the decimals, just consider as a numerals. 2 into 2, 44, 44 8 is 352 into 196, you multiply, general multiplication. So 6 to the 12, 6 5 30, 31, 6 3 18, 18 3 21. Now 9 to the 18, 9 5 the 45, 46, 9 3 the 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 2 again, 1 2, 1 5, 1 3, 2, 9, 9, 8, 6. How much got? 6, 8, 992. This is square meters. Now decimals. Here 2 decimals, here 2 decimals. Totally 4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 6. 6.8992. 6.892 means you can write as, you can correct it up to 2 decimals. 6.9 you can write. 6.9 square meter. 6.9. This is how much metal sheet is required? 6.9 square meters of metal sheet is required to make the cylindrical tank. I hope you clearly understood figure. Next, second question. Second. Second question. The volume of cylinder is 308 cubic centimeters, its height is 8 centimeters. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. So to find out anything, whether you find LSA or PSA volume, we need what type of dimensions? We need base radius and height. Base radius and height. Without them, we cannot calculate LSA and PSA and volume. So here what given here? Volume given and height given. The height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder which is equal to 8 centimeters. And what given? Volume given. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is 308 cubic centimeters. What given here? Given that height of the cylinder is equal to 8 centimeters and volume of cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is 308 cubic centimeters. Find LSA and PSA. What is LSA formula? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. We have H. We don't have radius. Okay. Only we have H and volume given. From volume, calculate the radius. Calculate the radius. What is the volume of the cylinder formula? Pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h is equal to how much given? 308. So pi substitute value, pi value is equal to 2 by 7. Radius we don't know. It is to be determined. It is to be found. Now we don't know how r as it is r right now. H is equal to 8. That is equal to 308. Now find out r square. R square is equal to 308. The fraction carry this side. 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22 and 8 by 1 becomes 1 by 8. 11 to the 22, 11 to the 11 8. Okay. Now 214 there. 2 4 the 2 7. So r square is equal to 7 7 the 49 by r square equal to 49 by 4. So find out the radius. R is equal to square root of 49 by 4. So r is equal to square root of 49 is 7, square root of 4 is 7 by 2, r 3.5 you can write centimeters. You can express in the fraction or this one. 7 by 2 or 3.5 centimeters. 11 by 2 centimeters or 3.5 centimeters. Here, find out LSA and PSA. You know that. LSA of cylinder. LSA of cylinder. LSA of cylinder is equal to formula 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi 22 by 7. The radius is how much? 7 by 2 or 3.5. H already given. So 1 is 7, 2 is 2. So 176 square 76 square centimeters. 22 is 8, 176. Okay. Now PSA find out. PSA of cylinder. PSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into pi 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2. H plus r. H is 8. Plus r is 7 by 2. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 2 8 are 16. 16 plus 7 23 by 2. 7 7 2 2 cancel, 2 1 2 11. So 11 3 33, 11 2 22, 22 3 20, 253 square. This is the PSC. LSA is 176 square centimeters and PSA is 253 square centimeters. Like this is calculated. I hope you clearly understood children. Now I go for third problem. Third problem. Before read the question complete, read the question, you copy it. A metal cuboid of dimension 22 centimeters into 15 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters was melted. A metal cuboid of dimensions 22 and 15 into 7.5 cubic centimeters was melted and cast into cylinder of height 14 centimeters. What is its radius? A metallic cuboid is there. The cubical dimensions are given, LBH given. From that, what did they do? A cuboid dimension is melted. It was melted and shaped into cylinder. That cylinder height is 14. What is its radius? From the cuboid, what they shaped cylinder. So you have to calculate the height of the radius of the cylinder. So both volumes are equal. When one vessel, the cylinder is made from the cuboid. So cuboid is melted and cast into what shape? Cylindrical shape. So the liquid, same liquid, whatever liquid get from the cuboid when it is melted, same liquid used to shape the cylinder. So both volumes are equal. Both volumes are equal. A metal cuboid of dimensions 22 centimeters and 15 centimeters and 7.5 centimeters was melted and cast into cylinder of height of 14 centimeters. What is its radius? Height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. H is equal to 14 centimeters. Dimensions of cuboid. Is equal to 22 centimeters into 15 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters. So both volumes are equal. Both volumes are equal. So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cylinder. Why means the cylinder is shaped from the cuboid. So volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. Since cuboid melted and cast into cylindrical shape. That is why both volumes are equal. Volume of cylinder formula is IR square H. This is volume of this is 22 into cuboid is 22 into 15 into 7.5 cubic centimeters. Y value is 22 by 7. We don't have radius. The height of cylinder is 14. That is equal to 22 into 15 into 75. 7.5 means 75 by 10. Remove the decimal. Now half square find out. You send all fractions to right side, they becomes 158 reverses. Reverse 22 into 15 into 75 by 10 into 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. 14 by 1 becomes 1 by 4. Yes, 22 by 22. Five twos are 10, 5 15 is 75, 7 1 is 7 twos are 14. Okay, so R square is equal to 15 into 15, 225 by 2 to the 4. So R is equal to Square root of 225 by 4. Square root of 225 is 15. 4 means 15 by 2 means 7.5 centimeters. Therefore, the radius of the cylinder is 7.5 centimeters. Children, I hope you clearly understood. Okay, we'll continue the next exercise problems in the next session. Okay, you try to do the next problems. Otherwise, I will explain. Thank you.